Hey guys, it's Matt, and today we are opening the Surging Sparks Elite Trainer Box. This is just the standard one, not the Poke Center one, so I believe there's, 9 packs inside here? And today we are just opening the box. We are just showing what's included with this year's ETB, so we're going to go over everything. The packs are going to be opening up in a separate video, but we will be looking at the promo card here, which is one of my favorites. So as we begin, we open this up. We have the booklet, which there are so many beautiful artworks on here. I've opened up another one with the Magneton. I love that. I have the Zapdos. I did not find the Quagsire, nor did I really think of it, and the other ones I'm not really that interested in. There are, of course, the hits that we really want to get. Basically, everything on this page. I pulled this. Oh, I pulled this in Japanese. I want to get a Pikachu, because I have a Pikachu EX in Japanese. That's going to be beautiful. But here we have the list of all of the cards from this set. We have like some info on the expansion. There's our favorite little Pikachu. On the inside, we do have some artwork here too. Latios, or Latios, I always forget who's who. The building Pokemon, Executor, and Pikachu on the inside. So if you want to open this up, you kind of get like a mini poster. That's not really what we're looking for, but this is what we have inside this box here. This is why I got this, and this is what we get inside here. It has one of my favorite patterns, because I'm a minimalist, so I like to keep things nice and minimal. We have this, which as soon as we open this up, it becomes useless. The one thing I have to say about Elite Trainer boxes, as well as other Pokemon stuff, at least there is not that much plastic. The plastic that you get is holding the dice and these little things. These don't need to be plastic, by the way, guys. You can switch this to something else. It doesn't need to be plastic. Never needed to be, but you know, that's just kind of what we have here. But I remember old packaging was just super plasticky. Never Elite Trainer boxes, but others, and it was just such a waste. This is what I'm talking about here. So these sleeves, these are the sleeves. I love the minimal, just single lightning bolt on the back. Now, if you had to, let's see, how do we describe this? So these on the front side are clear. In the past, and most recently in the past, they've all been this kind of matte finish, which I've really liked. But I think because the holographics have this kind of shine on the edge, they want the shine to be showing through. So I think that's why they changed it back to clear. I would myself prefer the matte because I know exactly what's in there. But hey, that's me. Then you get a bunch of energy cards, so if you want to play the game, you are basically set. For me, though, I don't play the game competitively. I don't even use like the code cards, which is why I'm going to be opening these up and showing it to you. But here we have the Magneton. This is I think one of the most beautiful artworks that I have ever seen. It's simultaneously a mess and not. And again, do you see how this is included with the separators? Which again, I love that minimal pattern on here on the separators. I wish it wasn't, just for the fact I'd like to keep this card, but I think I see why they do this. It's to keep this structure. And if you have these backings, then it's going to be protecting this card. In a perfect world, you put backings on the front and the back, but you know, then you wouldn't be able to see the card, and maybe people, I don't know, they would be kind of suspect of it. But here we have, this is, I think, one of my favorite cards of the last few years. I know that there are others. There are other ones out there that I really do like. I really wish that I had pulled this naturally in a Japanese pack because, as I've said in other videos, oh, by the way, here's the code card for you guys for this box because I don't use it. But, oh, and here are the separators, which are also beautiful too, right? Pikachu on one side and minimalism on the other side. I do like the minimalist side here. But I think you guys have to agree. When you get a a guaranteed promo in this. It's kind of like you're paying for it, but when you get like a pack and you open up one of the extremely rare cards or a beautiful card that you want, it's all, you know, just in the probability of getting this, and it feels different. It honestly does feel different, and I really, really like this. The only thing I wish with this card is that it had texture on it. If it had texture, I'd be happier with it, but still a beautiful looking card. And don't forget, guys, we're not opening the packs in this video, but you do get, what, 9 packs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs. In my last ETV, I didn't really get anything good. It was like, alright. So we're hoping on this one, but we will be releasing these as little shorts, so that should be fun. But that's what you get in an Elite Trainer box. And you may think, okay, is it always going to be this size? Nope. When you take that kind of paper stuff out of the way, it shrinks down to this. So you can put your cards inside. You can put even cards that have top loaders or larger plastic, you know, protective cases. They can still fit in here, and you are still fine. That's why this box is pretty legit if you collect. And even if you don't, it's nice to look at. That is what this looks like here. A nice rainbow holographic pattern on this all the way around. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been the Surging Sparks Elite Trainer box here in 2024. Thank you so much. Yeah, I will see you next time.